Can we realize 3 wishes in one go? Can we live in a green neighborhood in top-ranked school zone, yet with very affordable budget? Hi, my name is Priscilla. I'm your real estate broker in GTA. In Best Buy of this week, I'm going to introduce you one freehold townhouse assignment in Markham. Let's first take a look at the neighborhood. So we are at the northeast corner of Markham. The community is called Wismer. So this neighborhood has much lower density in, for example, downtown Markham. You will find lots of green space next to you. The distance from a building to the building is also much wider. But while you are enjoying the low density living, you don't sacrifice the convenience. From this location to downtown Markham, Haversaven Warden, it's only just about 15 minutes drive. It's completely manageable. Even next to you, you have a mall here too. As you can see here, you have the Home Depot, but not just that. Next to it, you also have other big box. One very good feature about this project is that you are in a top-ranked school zone. The elementary school is called Donald Cousens. Fraser Institute gives the score is 9.7. I rarely see such a good score. Actually, it ranked 22 among over 3,000 primary schools in Ontario. In terms of high school, it's Bur Oak Secondary. Again, it ranked number 22 among over 700 high schools. So no matter elementary or secondary, these are the top-notch schools. I'm sure just with this feature, it's attracting and will attract a lot of parents who pay attention to their children's education. All right, let's take a look at this property itself. This is a 3-bedroom, 3-story freehold townhouse. It's POTL. We're calling for 1.078 million. I mentioned many times when it's assignment, it's not on MLS, so you do not need to bid. This is the price that the seller is hoping to get, rough. We can see the occupancy date is quite close. It's just in September this year. It might have a slight change, but we can pretty much expect that we can move in before the end of this year. The size is quite big. It's 1,736 square feet. So this is like above average size of townhouse. Again, I mentioned this is POTL. So you'll probably have a POTL fee over 100, but it's not like a condo townhouse. You have a couple hundred maintenance fee, and it does not go up so much higher. We have 1-car garage. So we can see some of the renderings about this property. So you can see this is an open concept. You have your dining room, your kitchen, and also your living room. Okay, quite bright. This is a spacious bedroom. All right, let's take a look at the floor plan. So you have your basement, and then on the ground floor, you have your garage. The main living room is the first floor. It's actually 1 floor higher than the ground floor. On one side, let's blow this up. On one side, you have the dining room together with your kitchen, just like the rendering picture we saw. And on the other side, you have quite a spacious, almost rectangular area for living room. The bedroom floor is also very typical townhouse setting. The stairs in the middle. On one side, you have the master bedroom with its own ensuite washroom. On the other side, you have the 2 bedrooms and share 1 common bathroom. I see completely no flaw about the floor plan, and especially I like the size as well. So yeah, once again, this is pretty much about this assignment. It is still available. The reason I recommend this property is lately I've been searching for 1.1 million, 1.2 million freehold townhouse for a couple of clients. And I found out this price 1.078 is quite economical, even comparing with the resale, especially it's brand new. For those people who want to live in a never lived before property, this would be a very good chance with a very affordable, economical price. So if you're interested, contact me as soon as possible because it can be gone very soon. But if it doesn't fit you, don't worry. Talk to me if you have a recent purchase plan. I can cater the property search for you. So you can receive not only those properties on MLS, but also some very great deal of market properties. Looking forward to connecting with you soon. Bye-bye.